Hey guys, Retro here. Just wanted to point out, I didn't really get to say it in the video. The guy we will be talking about in the video, he is my friend. I've known him since he started riding. He's a new rider. He just started this year, and he's doing pretty good for his first year riding. Just some unfortunate events happened, and he did not have the years of skill to avoid it completely. But he did a pretty good job for how he came out. So just keep in mind, hindsight's 20/20. Don't hate on him. We all can do better. Hey riders, it's been a few minutes. That guy wanted a wheelie, I had to give him a wheelie. It's been a minute since I did a motovlog. It's been absolutely fucking horrendous. It's either raining or humid as fuck, and I'm trying not to die in this suit. Hey, FedEx truck, taking a little wide there. Combination of the fucking weather and just shit going on in my life. I wasn't super motivated to ride. But anyways, on this cool, nice night ride, we're gonna talk about learning skills and how useful they could be. Not in just having fun, but also avoiding crashes. Being able to flick like this without dropping it, being able to brake like that without locking up the front wheel. All very useful in preventing crashes. I just had a buddy crash a week and a half ago. I'll put up the video if he allows me to. And as you just saw, that was a mix of the lady being a fucking dumbass. It was some old lady who was just like, oh my god, I didn't see him, he was probably speeding. Ah! And also evasive maneuvers could have probably saved him. Hindsight is 20/20. You know, there's a bunch of shit going on when riding a bike. Being able to quickly swerve and brake is not the easiest thing. The number one way to prevent that is to practice it every day you ride. So whether it's you go out, you find an empty road like this, you can see there's no one behind me, you just practice emergency braking without locking it up or fucking sending yourself over the front. Or you go out and you practice evasive maneuvers. Like say someone turns in front of me, boom, boom, without sliding the bike. You want to be practicing that all the time, because you keep up your practice, your skills will still be refreshed. You know, you hop on a bike after 10 years of not doing anything, you need to refresh your skills. Same thing with evasive maneuvers and riding techniques, as well as generally scanning. But as a motorcyclist, that's your number one job, is to scan, you know, what's going on up ahead, to my left, to my right, behind me. You know, when you're coming up on traffic or a stoplight, of course you want to pay attention to what's in front of you so you don't ram into someone, but you also want to keep an eye on what's behind you so you don't get rear-ended. In states where lane splitting is illegal, which I believe there's only, I think Idaho might have passed it, but California and I think Arizona maybe. I don't know. I'll correct myself on screen if I'm wrong. Lane filtering, I should say, when you're coming up on a stoplight. On states where it's illegal, you know, you're shit out of luck. Do you break the law to be safer? Or do you stay within the law and hope no one fucking kills you? What do, you know? Personally, when I ride by myself, if I'm in like a higher traffic area, I will lane split. Or lane filter. Hey, what's up, bud? But if I'm riding with people who are uncomfortable with it, I will definitely, you know, stick in the lane and just keep an eye on my back, make sure no one's coming and just fucking absolutely sending it into the back of my bike. But you just always want to be out practicing your skills and bettering them every day, as well as also having fun on your ride, which comes with practicing those skills. You get enjoyment of learning new things, like fucking stoppies. That was a trash one. Hey, what's up? Sport bike bra, little ninja. And if you're wondering about my buddy in the video, he's doing all right. He's taking it like a champ. I'm pretty sure his bike's totaled. I don't know yet, but he's definitely down to still ride, which is awesome. But yeah, definitely a nasty wreck. Some more gear wouldn't hurt. He was literally going to a family member's house that was probably about 10 minutes away, and his parents were the car in front of him, and he was taking it super easy. He wasn't fucking sending it, you know, 100 in a school zone. He was taking it easy. Some lady just turned right in front of him and bam. I don't know if I want to keep my visor down. And also getting out to practice runs like that where you learn how to turn quickly can save you. I just saw a video recently, I'll see if I can find it, but some chick was just taking a nice left-hand turn and she went into it just a little too hot. If she leaned more, she definitely could have saved herself out of it, but I don't think she was comfortable enough with leaning to pull herself away from the road. She just kind of fucking sent it off like that. Yes, going fast is fun, but you want to learn how to stop good. You want to learn how to stop great, especially without ABS. My first bike is this 600 with no assists, and so I feel comfortable hopping onto any bike now that I've learned with no assist. There's no power control assist, no traction control, no wheelie control, none of that. I feel so comfortable when I hop on 1000s, that H2 I rode, fucking an ADV bike, any other bike. I feel so comfortable just because I learned with no assists. And I don't take it as like, oh yeah, I'm a man, I rode with no assist. Sometimes you need assist to learn, but you want to get it into your muscle memory to learn how to brake front and rear without locking them up. I guess there's some sort of announcement, or there is some sort of announcement I want to make. I have this new channel, or I'll start it off like this. Being a northern rider, like northern US, sucks. I can only ride, you know, so many months out of the year because there's snow, shitty cold weather where the tires aren't rated for, you know, under 35 degrees and all that shit. I'm popping. Woo! No flames. Anyways, there's half the year is probably conditions where I cannot ride. So in that time, I cannot motovlog or produce content for the retro CBR channel and all that stuff, and Instagram. So I started a YouTube that I eventually wanted to turn into a production company called Venturi. Venturi is going to be a production company based up with a bunch of different series. One of the first ones I'm currently working on is called Golden Era Rides. It's going to go over the history, racing pedigree, the heritage of bikes, how they came to be, why they died off, and so on and so forth. Hold on, we got a fun little run right here. Gotta brake hard for this turn. I definitely need new tires. Started slipping out and my knee was nowhere close to the ground. Maybe I need to change my suspension setup, but it feels pretty good. Anyways, Venturi is made up of that Golden Era Rides. It goes over all the history of that bike. There's going to be many other series that I'll be working on and all that, but I'm only one person, and that's currently my winter project, as well as working on this for Venturi videos, for retro CBR videos. But eventually I want that to become a big company with people on payroll, you know, merch, giveaways, all that fun stuff for the bike community, especially people that are so in love with bikes before 2000. I mean, not specifically just 2000, but people who don't just go out and buy the brand new bike, you know, because I hop on a bike and it has like screens with all this info and shit, and I'm like, dude, I just need a tachometer and a speedometer and I'm Gucci. But yeah, so that's the announcement. I just wanted to get one out. This is the night before. Uh-oh, I didn't hear the KA. My radar detector, the cable didn't go off. I was like, oh, it's telling me my speed. Why didn't you go, weirdo? Why can't I hear my radar detector? That was so scary. I just looked down and it was like KA band. There we go, kind of. Oh, there's an officer. Ah, that's loud as fuck. That's not for me, right? Is this still Ludlow? What the fuck? Oh, I hear the KA band everywhere. Oh, radar detector is off. Turn that shit back on. Oh my god, all the police are after me. Ah! I was thinking of doing a wheelie on my way home, but I guess not. Dude, the cops are out for me tonight, dude. Fucking, what was that, 5 already? Sometimes I go like a fucking week without seeing cops out here. Oh, another cop. Oh my god, it's a paddy wagon. They're getting all of us, bruh. He not running radar though. Oh, another cop. What is that, 7 now? Jesus Christ. Why am I getting K-band, bro? Question of the night. We got a cop car back here. Alrighty, gamers, let's give you some flames real quick. I don't think you guys have seen this thing spit. There you go. Anyways, if you actually want to live, then practice, practice, practice. Don't die. Alrighty, gamers, take it easy, have a good one. Check out the socials, Discord too. I guess that's a social. Anyways, have a good night. Mwah!